From the Dolly Dam, the Dolly Dam.
How are you born from a Dolly friend?
Watch Friedman.
Dolly friend. How are you? Where you want to see the Dolly Dam? Where you gonna take a look?
Over Kingston, Signals, Official. Where you want to see the Dolly Dam? Over PTRN.
With my Dolly friend. How are you? What kind of Dolly we have?
We have cute Dolly, slim Dolly, fat Dolly.
One man, you know what you Dolly.
So one Dolly there.
Skin white like cloth Dolly. Big bus Dolly.
Curfew.
House party. Link up. We don't come up with any in a cup. Chocolate bus. Turn it up.
Hey, Dolly, what you don't know?
Yeah, me okay.
Oh, wow.
Why?
So biggie. Much I eat out already.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now people, TC birthday come up. Them have a birthday celebration for her on the 16th. And you know what I mean, it's going to be a big deal. You know how them do them thing already. When you see what them going with my rebel birthday, I want to know it's a TC birthday, I gonna be CMR even crazier, right? But people, not only that, you just register a business. Now I'm not clear as to what her business is, but may assume say, you know what I mean, it's like some hair business or clothes business or something like that. She never really specify, right? Who knows a rebel affair business, she do the cookie watch products, right? But I'm not sure what TC business is, but she encouraged all young entrepreneurs to get their business registered. So she explained where she did hers, and maybe you can get yours done there as well. So take a look at this short clip. Here goes.
Finally.
Mona, I never did a dance this song. Mona, you're angry. You're angry. The doll register the business. Say all of the small business owner them. I want to link up Mona Accounting Consultant Services. You see that? One of God's to register the business. Cause the dollar register the business.
My friend a triangle it. Walking out the yard broke. Hey, you ticking a girl. Tick on your toe, girl. Tick on your toe. Yeah. Nobody not got your party Sunday. Relax.
Now, people, Shenseea is yet to release her debut album, and our fans them a press her feet hard. Almost every day, I see she repost something on her story in regards to her album, and fans saying, you know, when the album will come, all of that. You see me? And she replied to them and I tell them, just go on with the faith because it's a come. And she released some singles. Now, we don't know if all of that I got up on the album, but if you take a guess, me I got things say like, You Are the One That I Love is going to be on it. It just sound like an album song. I want to tell me if you don't agree down in the comment section. Now she asked on her story and I asked like, what kind of song you think I got up on the album I want to hear? Me see somebody say they want to hear a song with Sean Paul. Me see somebody else I say they want to hear like reggae hip hop singing. I know sessions are capable of all of that, right? But people may have a little clip where I want to show you how Shenyang them love Shenseea, right? So Shenseea was doing this little medical thing on our story. I'm not going to tell you yet what, but I'm going to show you the clip and then me tell you what it is. So take a look at this quick little clip. Here goes. So after Shenseea post that, the Shenyang them look like them getting her DM and I asked her like, you know what I mean, what is that? Like them concerned that something wrong with Shenseea. But people, she had to explain that she was actually just testing her blood sugar levels, right? And that's a normal thing for most people. You see me, I see it done before. You know, people who are pre-diabetic and diabetic, they have to do that stuff. Not saying that Shenseea is diabetic or pre-diabetic. That's not what I'm saying, right? We don't know that. But she explained and I said she fine. Now I can see why the Shenyang them concerned because we know not so long ago she had a situation, right? So, yeah. But hopefully everything is good. But like she said, she fine. Nothing wrong with that, right? So big up Shenseea. Now people may I go move on and may I go show now a video with Ramesh. Cause Ramesh get some coupon from JPS. You know we always a beat JPS and I say, you know what I mean, them crooked, right? But this time them give Ramesh some coupon. So Ramesh explain what he got and when I have to go over and page for him explain like how you can win, right? So you definitely have a visit Instagram if you're not interested in this one, right? And for the people them when I really dep on Instagram, some of the time you can see the video them and them thing there. You know? So what I go do, I might just put the link down there so you can click on it. You don't have to have the app or anything, you still can see it. You probably can see the caption and everything same way. So we are going to do that, all right? So take a look at this video. Here goes.
People in this world that we live, the time is hot, gas price going up. I don't know, I ever cost JPS, but I have to big them up to the car. Watch out now, people. JPS carry a whole heap of coupon and say me for just give back to my people because them always give back. So big up JPS for that, because you don't know so we about them up, but we don't get a little freeness after big them up. So big up feel like a free life for people. So, I have some 5,000 gift voucher that I'm willing to give to you so you can get 5,000 off of your bill. But you can take all of them and just take it off of my bill still. But you know we are good you to know that. So big up to JPS. Right now just follow the caption. And you can see how you are able to win $5,000 gift vouchers courtesy of JPS. Not KFC, but JPS. Courtesy of Ramesh David. Alright? Yeah.
Now people, in closing, I just want to say thank you for watching this video and for all the support that I've been receiving, you know what I mean, from the long time subscribers them and people will like and share the page them both on Facebook and Instagram. You see me, you know, vital to this operation, you know, big up on yourself all the time, right? And on YouTube, may I get some really die-hearted subscribers. You know, Facebook have this feature where show the top fan them, so I know who are the top fan them. But on YouTube, it's a bit harder. You have to really see the people and we are comment and know, say, yeah, that's a regular right there. So you see me? So, you know, big up on yourself. You don't know what the thing go. Right? But people, like me say, you know, we just do some updates. So now tell me what you think about these topics today, about the Ramesh thing, about TC telling the younger people them and older people, if you have a business, a small business and wanted to get registered, to register your business, right? So we also want to big up everybody. Thank you. And in closing, again, we just want to say Judge Prophet new album is out. It's called Perfect. I may have a little advert that may I go just leave at the end of the video. So take care out there and stay safe. I'm out.
George Prophet, latest album, out now on all digital streaming platforms. Latest album called Perfect, George Prophet. Produced by Triple RT Records. Out now. Perfect, George Prophet. Produced by Triple RT Records. Out now.
We're down here to play. I said heaven must have been an holiday, and that is why you could hear all the man them say. I heard them say beautiful. Got me smiling all the while, all because you are so incredible.
George Prophet, latest album, out now on all digital streaming platforms. Latest album.